I'm here at InWin at CES 2024, and they have some amazing products that I want to go ahead and share with you guys. First up, we have ModFree. ModFree is back from last year, and this is their AI workstation. And what's super unique about this case right here is ModFree is the entire idea that you can add these add-on modules and completely customize your case. But they specifically developed this version so that you could have up to 4 4090s that they currently have running in the system. And they actually separated them enough where they're not going to go ahead and overheat. So they have 2 slotted in actually inside the actual motherboard, and then they have 2 on risers in their own chamber right here up in the front. So this allows for kind of a separation of cooling between all the components, and because it's mod free, you can customize these panels. They have a mesh panel here that you can basically just pop on and you are good to go. You can go ahead and pop that on, take it off, change it. If you did want that to be a solid panel, if you're not going to use it, you can. And then, same thing kind of goes around back. This is all customizable and adaptable to your needs and whatever you want it to go ahead and look like. InWin also is featuring their mod-free Mini, which is basically part of the mod-free family, but a mini ITX version. And I absolutely love the wood styling of this particular version. And like I said before, these panels are all customizable. So you can go ahead and change what you want the look to be. So if you want to go from this black look to something like this frosted acrylic, all you got to do is take it off, and then it should just snap right into place. And now you got the mod-free panel there, and you can go ahead and change whatever top you want on, and now you got a different look. And that allows you to have a lot of customizability depending on the model that you're looking at. After talking to the reps here at InWin, they're saying there's going to be a mesh version, as well as I believe an all-black version, and then mesh, an acrylic, and then they have the wood panels, which look absolutely amazing. Next up at InWin, we also have their D5 case, which is pretty traditional when it comes to the overall design. When you look at the outside, it has lots of ventilation, which is awesome. It's something you always want to be looking for. But there's some details that InWin did that definitely set this a little over the top. First off, they added a nice little included headphone hanger that just slides right out. You can go ahead and pop your headphones right on there. You don't have to have something separate. And then what's even more unique, and I'll make sure I have some B-roll of this, there is a panel covering the actual cables coming in for like the 24 pin onto your motherboard. Well, this actual cover also redirects the air going straight to something like your memory modules and all the other componentry right on your motherboard, keeping everything nice and cool. And I think this is going to be especially important with these faster these NVMe Gen 5 drives that are running incredibly hot. So getting more air into that area is more important than ever. If we continue on, we have the F5 series from InWin. This is very similar to the 303 style cases, where basically it is a very open style. But what's unique about these cases is they've added support for the rear mounted power connectors that some of the motherboards are coming out with lately. This includes the Asus Back to the Future, what was this one? I believe this is the Back to the Future board, which basically has all the connectors on the back. So what they did was they added some additional cutouts, both on their white and black versions, which allow you to go ahead and plug everything in without worrying about it. And then if we continue, another really cool feature, this kind of comes from the same concept of mod-free and everything that InWin's been working on for the past couple of years, is their idea that you can change these faceplates out. So let's say you want to change your look and switch it up so you got the wood on this side and you got the logo and solid panel on this side. All you gotta do, snap them into place, and all of a sudden you change the look of your build. And I assume if you wanted to, you could even change them with the black version. If you had some specific desire or look you were going for, you got that there as well. So that allows for a lot of customizability, along with all the additional support that InWin's always been really great at adding into these cases. One product that is near and dear to my heart that I definitely wanted to check out when I heard that it was coming, this is the POC 1 from InWin. So the POC case last year, I was able to go ahead and check out here at CES in 2023. And it was basically a case that came in a pizza box and you would fold together to go ahead and assemble it. And it was a really cool concept and everything, and they're still selling that, but they iterated with a new version. This is the POC 1, and instead of using the traditional where you fold the panels and then kind of slot them together and screw everything together, they're actually using these rubber mounts that basically lock all the pieces together, and you can basically fold everything. It assembles, put a couple screws in, locks everything into place, and then you have a fully built system like this one here with plenty of support, very similar to the original POC. And you know, it's a really cool, unique design and way to go ahead and really customize your system, because it is all modular, meaning this would be very easy if you do want to go ahead and do some custom modding with paint or anything like that. So it's definitely a product I'm looking forward to checking out when it comes out. And with that, we've just checked out everything at the InWin booth at CES 2024. It's been really cool to check all this stuff out, and I can't wait to test all of it out once it comes out officially. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.